Okay, so we're gonna get started. If you hear some snorting in the background, that's my dogs, so just ignore that. Okay, so we're gonna start with frosting. The recipe calls for 1 cup of frosting, but 1 cup is 8 ounces, and there are 16 ounces in here, so that's 2 cups, so I'm just gonna use the whole thing, and I'll double the amount of powdered sugar too. I got strawberry. If you get vanilla or cream cheese or whatever you have, you can dye it with food coloring, but I got the strawberry because I thought that my daughter would like to play with it because it smells like strawberry and it's pink. All right, frosting in the bowl. Then if you're only doing the 1 cup, you need 2 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. Since I'm doubling mine, I need 5 1/2 cups. All right. One. 2. 3. 5. And 1/2. All right, so I have a giant mountain of powdered sugar. The recipe that I found says you can use a hand mixer. I'm not gonna do that because I think that the powdered sugar will go everywhere. So if it gets harder to stir, I'll just use my hands. I can taste the sugar in the air. All right, check it out. Oops, looks like ice cream. And then, I don't know, if you want to add some sprinkles. I only have Christmas sprinkles, but you know. There you go, go crazy. I don't think you should eat this. It's a lot of sugar. Don't do that to your parents. I miss you guys. I hope you like this. It's fun, it's messy, it smells good. And I feel like everybody has some leftover frosting sitting around, so it's pretty easy. If you want to let me know how it went, you can send me a video or a picture of what you made. I would love to see it.